Hi, my name's Chris and today I'm going to be checking out a Bohemian Custardy juice kindly sent to me by Liquid Ice. You can check out their link in the description. This is the Bohemian Custardy juice I'm going to try. It's 50% VG, 50% PG. A safety cap on the bottle. Instructions on use. And we're trying that in this big mod box. This is a standard, sort of sits on my desktop. It's got a Aspire Cleto, is it? Tank on it. I've changed the atomizer in that already, so I shall fill it up and let it soak for around 10 minutes. And we'll give it a try, see what it's like. This is the Bohemian Rhapsody juice I'm going to be trying with strawberry, raspberry, pineapple and melon. I put it in this big mod box. That's my table mod box. Takes 2 batteries, or actually takes 3. It's got an extension, but I've only got 2 in it. It's got a Cleto, Aspire Cleto tank. So we'll see how it is. Yeah, good vapour. Yeah, good taste. A sort of nice after hit on it. Reasonable throat hit, not too aggressive. As I say, a real nice aftertaste of that, and not too sweet. Yeah, I like that. If you want to check them out, it's Liquid Ice is in the description.